Hello everyone, I'm doing a quick video to show you how you can convert your USDT to USDC. All right, so what you do is to log into your exchange. I'm going to be using UBTX, UBTX for now. I'm already logged in. So when you log in, you go to where you have your USDT. Usually it will be in your assets. Go to assets and then you go to your sports, because that's where you can do any trading or conversion in the sports. Okay, so if it's in your end wallet, you have to move it from your end to your spot. All right, trading USDC against the USDT. All right, so that's it. You select that. So this is trade. So in this case now, the USDT all right, we want to use it to buy USDC, so we're actually buying. Okay, we will convert it to USDC. All right, so we're also going to be buying in the we're going to be using the market order. That is, we are buying at the current rate, and the current rate here is 1.001. okay, they're almost the same thing. So we're going to be selling everything in this case, and so I'll select everything because I don't want to have anything USDT because of the deadline. All right, so we'll just click on buy now and then we'll confirm, and that's it. It's done, success. So everything is now converted to USDC. I don't know how to do that. So that's it. So everything now has been converted to USDC. Well, anyway, that's how you do it, and it's done. You can see already everything is converted to USDC now. Okay, so that's how it's done. So I hope you found this video helpful. So right now there's an upgrade going on in UBTX, so my app is not working, so but I can log into my system and do it. So I've done that. Even if you can't do it now, there's no problem because we are not really affected in Nigeria by this regulation in Europe. It's just that well, if people are converting and moving, the whole of Europe is now selling their USDT, then it's believed that somehow it's going to affect the price of USDT. The price will drop, so we don't want to be holding it when the price is dropping. So you can convert it to something else. It doesn't have to be USDC. You can convert it to SRP or any other thing you want to convert it to first, and then later watch the market and see which one will favor you, and then you now convert it back or sell it for whatever other currency that is yielding higher. All right, so thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. This is where I draw the line. This is Martin signing out. Cheers.